Well, this discussion on the accusation that have been leveled against Joho regarding drug dealing, drug trafficking, looks like they have died down in a way since he came back from the U.S. And of course, going to the U.S., some quarters were reading as being an indication or trying to really send a message that, hey, I've gone to the U.S. You had said that the U.S. authorities had something against me. Here I've gone and I'm back, in town. That is perhaps the message that he was trying to send by him going to the U.S. But since he came back, we expected that perhaps to even dominate yesterday's rally at Tononoka, but little came out of that particular topic. But of course, the Jubilee side has continued really to level those accusations against him, saying that he's part of the whole syndicate of really drug dealing here in the Coast region. But of course, Joho has time and again really challenged the government, challenged security apparatus to give evidence if they have any solid evidence to prosecute his case. That is what he has said severally. And right now, of course, that standoff continues. But until now, discussions on drug trafficking, drug dealing have quite died down.